Hello, every Hello everyone, and welcome back to another amazing live stream with one of the best traders in the world. Uh, it's good to be back. I've been off for quite a time. So now let's get into it. I'm gonna start with the top-down analysis real quick. Wow, we have a really interesting moves that's happening today on gold. Look at that. So on the weekly time frame, it looks like this weekly candle is retracing. It have retraced more than, wow, that's like I think 1300 pip must be. So it's rejecting from this area right there. I believe it tapped this support area and rejecting from there. If we checked on the daily, we have a really strong support being formed on the daily right there, which is interesting. This came according to the news that they are looking for they agreed to end war. So we are expecting now gold to rally all this for the next week and the week after, until there is a new news or something happens that change that. So we can see now on the daily time frame that gold created support on the daily, and we have created a very nice steeper bottom week, and now we are breaking the daily high. So we are approaching this resistance right here to the left hand side. It's actually an all support, so it's probably gonna be a resistance. We are gonna see right there. If we lower down to the 4-hour time frame, it's a little bit choppy, guys. It's a little bit choppy, but the rejection actually came from here. So here we have a very nice strong resistance right there, which is a very good resistance. We're probably gonna look for sells from there, and right here we are going to be looking for buys on the 1 hour. Wow, we have moved around like almost 900 pips, so we are expecting a retracement anytime soon. We are waiting for some sort of retracement right here or there. Probably, if not, we will be selling from the high right there. Yeah, it's nice to be back. Actually, it's been a long time. It's been a long time since I was live streaming. I don't even remember when was the last time I live streamed. Alright, so gold is looking interesting. This 4-hour closed about 20 minutes ago. So I will be looking for like buys from here. If price created a support right there, would be nice to take some buys. Yep, let me adjust this line accordingly. It's looking nice. Yeah, I will be looking for some sort of buys from here. Like my buys today is buys only. So yeah, I will be only looking for buys today, buys from here or from there. whenever we have a nice retracement and then support. That's all what I'm looking for here today. Let's check the Nasdaq. Wow, Nasdaq also rallied. I believe this because of the war. It looks like the war is going to stop soon, which is very extremely good for gold and good for the Nasdaq. I believe there was some news on gold. Let's check the news. It's not on gold, it was on the USD. We have one that's bad and one that's good, so it doesn't it will not affect us that much. Yeah, so probably we are looking for some sort of retracement right there, and then boom, we will be looking for buys, strictly looking for buys today, nothing else, just buys. Patience pays, guys, patience pays. So let's check what we have on Monday. We have also some bank holidays on Monday, Tuesday as well. Interesting news coming next week. FOMC. Yeah, we actually have a very interesting week next week and also this week. So I'm looking for a retracement here. Let's see if we can get this retracement today. Would be really nice. All right, gold looking nice today. Is looking very bullish. It's looking bullish. All right, so can we get this retracement? I preferably want to see this 30-minute candle close just above here with a huge steeper wick to the upside. But the thing is, we have a 4-hour candle without a bottom wick, so we should expect anytime that price could retrace and fill this wick and then go from there. So yeah, we should expect that. It can happen at any time. So in the past week, man, it was a tough past week. April was a little bit tough. I was having internship. Yeah, and what else? I blew an account last week. What was it? I think on 21st of April. Yeah, I think I blew my Lucid account. Now I have bought a new one, and let's see where we will take this account to. I'm excited. It's a new month. It's a new chance to be profitable. an opportunity to make shit ton of money. So we are today 1st of May. So as I was expecting, now we are retracing. Hope we get a very nice retracement. Hope we get a nice retracement like this retracement right there. And probably we'll look for buys from there. We will look for buys. Yep, so what I want to see is a red candle and then followed by green candle. Let's check this range, double check. I think it's right above here, right? Let's check the higher time frame. So it's a little bit tough, this range, because we have a resistance here on the 1 hour time frame. Let's go with the bigger time frame, of course. So it's right there. Oh man, this is a little bit tough, to be honest, guys. Little bit tough. Alright, looks like we are gonna get some retracement, but it's not the one I was looking for. Not the one I'm looking for, actually. Delicious. Alright, so this candle is going to close in about 30 seconds. So I was watching some oil and it looks interesting. Look how it dumped from there. Wow, what a move. I think it's because of the news. It's all this because of the news. So they released this 33 minutes ago, 2 hours ago. Foreign Minister counterbalance. Wow, interesting news today. I think that's why it's melting. But before it melted, give us very nice setup. Very nice setup on oil. Alright, so the 30-minute candle just closed. Let's check. Wow, it closed very nicely as I was expecting. Now I want to see a nice retracement from anywhere in this area. A nice retracement. Can we get a nice retracement today? Let's see. Oh, so this candle similarly closed similarly to this candle right there. Probably could go. Yep, look above this area. It's very good for buys. Right here. Let's write it down so we know what we are looking for. Buys above. Alright, so it looks like it's retracing now. On the 30-minute we created a nice bottom wick. It's not the best, but it's a really good bottom wick. We want to see a steeper wick than that. We want to see much steeper wick than that. I like the price action on oil, to be honest. Right there, look at this beautiful setup, wow. So if oil was giving us good entries, I believe we are going to be trading it in the near future. I will start backtesting it now and then we'll be trading it in the near future. So I want to see either the 30 minutes or the 15-minute candle close like this, weak bearish, or with some sort of big rejection to the downside. Big rejection. Can we get this rejection? Let's see. We are gonna see here today. Man, feels rusty. So I actually didn't have any that big reason to stop the live stream, but when I blew my account I felt a little bit down. That's why I think I stopped streaming for a little while, but soon I will get back on track and will be streaming more regularly. I'll try my best to. Wow, I'm looking amazing. I think I like that. I like that, guys. All right. So come on, can we get a nice retracement for today? All what we need is a very nice retracement. Wow, look at this support that oil created. Let's check the 30. It's not bad actually. How much is the contract size in here? 10. Okay, that's not bad. Oh, okay, makes sense. All right, Come on, can we get a really nice retracement? Is all what I'm looking for today, is just a nice retracement above this area and we'll be good to go. Okay, that's nice. At least create this for our bottom week. At least create the bottom week for the 4 hour. Can we get this today? Now. Yes, man, it's a crazy Friday. Would have been better if we stayed away. But so I'm gonna wait for a while. If we get a setup, we can act on it. Then if not, then it's not an issue. All right. Need a very nice retracement. So here is the 4 hour 4 hour week. Let's mark this 4 hour week. So we need the 4 hour bottom week, and then we'll probably go look at it from there. Even if it closed below this area, I think it will be also good. But this closure, we need to be on the 1 hour at least. This big rejection closure, we will probably looking for sell if we got a range 2 sells. Otherwise it is what it is. Probably if the 30-minute can close like this, we can anticipate also this wick fill right there. I think it will be nice to fill this wick. So let's see how will it go. All right, so looks like we are gonna get a closure below. Wow, what a rejection right there. Can we get a closure below? This is the real question right now. So let's see if this candle is gonna close below on the 1 hour. If it closes below on the 1 hour, I will be looking for something. Otherwise, better to wait, guys. Better to wait. Today is Friday. It's a little bit dangerous day. Oh man. Wow. A little bit dangerous day. So better to wait for buys. I think it's much better to wait for buys. Anything else is just noise. So can we get this 4-hour candle to create its bottom wick, because we didn't have any bottom wick there at all. So can we get this 4-hour candle bottom wick? Yeah, the lower it goes, the better actually. The lower the better. Yeah, look at this, many times it went below and then went above. Wow, what a nice trade this is. When was that? 2nd of April. Oh, okay. Alright, so it's rejecting right now, is rejecting. It would have been better if we got a 4-hour bottom wick, but if not, then not an issue. I will wait for support to be formed and probably look for buys from there. Man, Friday, how dangerous Friday is. I actually don't like trading on Friday. Yeah. Probably should remove this day from the trading days. It's the most volatile, crazy ass day. Like, it's not normal. So I'm going to check this month if I had losses in 2-3 weeks. I think I'm going to remove. I will not be trading on Friday again. I think it's better. RAM submitted. Alright. So it looks like Iran want to stop the war now. Looks like it. They want to stop the war. Okay, that's a nice closure, but not the one we are looking for. Oh wow, this setup actually worked out. Look at that. Very nice support. Created. Boom. 64 pips. Stop was about 50 pips. Already 1-to-1, already secured. Nice. Absolutely nice. So we just want to see this bottom wick create wick, and then probably will be much even better to take buys with a higher probability to take buys. Much higher probability. So let's see what's going to happen here. Man, this journey is not easy at all. It's not. You got to be disciplined. Disciplined as a mountain. You never move, never back up, never back down. I mean, yeah, you gotta stay tough. You gotta stay tough. So I believe all the buyers now, people who bought here, they got stopped out technically. Technically got stopped out. Let's check on the daily. Daily is looking great, but the move didn't happen yet. The whole day we was creating this bottom week. Wow, 700, almost 700 pips bottom week, 1000 daily week. That's nice. Previous also was 1000. We've been doing 1000 pips. This was 1500. Yeah, so either this candle will keep moving today or it will stop right there and consolidate. It's very higher probability that this candle will just sit right where it is and consolidate. We can also take buys from down there, you know. Alright, so I'm gonna wait for 12 minutes till this candle close and then we'll see from there. Waiting for this candle to close, but it's better to wait for a support. Better wait for a support to be formed. Anywhere above this range will be perfect. Somewhere here also, not bad. Look at this, all rejection week, so probably we can get some rejection like this week. Now we are creating a bottom week for the 4 hour, and probably after that is gonna be support to keep moving up, to continue moving up. We better see this candle closed above bullish, which will be much better to take buys. Yeah, will be good for buys. So there's some news here that Iran, they have paused the war, outgoing tension over Strait, oil export, and US war power resolution authority. Wow. Hope this is actually true, because oh, nice bleeder right there. Looking good so far, looking good. So it would be better if we can tap this bottom wick or create a bottom wick and then take it from there. Create a bottom wick and then flip bullish again. Yeah, man, Friday is tough. Friday where most traders they blow their accounts. So this is a new month, it's a new journey, so I'm actually planning to do some challenges in the near future after I get a payout from this Lucid funded account. I'm planning to trade consistently, risking 1 to 0.5% to 1%, following my risk plan, managing risk, and I believe I'm gonna pass this account really soon. Something like this. This was also a support that's being formed. Alright, so we got about 7 minutes left for this candle to close. It's also 1 hour candle, so if it closed above, it's gonna close with a huge top wick. So this is actually what we want to see. If this candle can close above with a huge top wick, I'm going to anticipate this trade. Otherwise, I'm just gonna call it a day. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This 15 needs to close above with a huge rejection to the downside. Yeah, so I feel better to take this trade. So the question is, can we get a candle to close above? This is the real question. I believe we can. Just need to be patient. Need to be patient. It looks like gold will keep rallying this week, I guess. With this positive news, I believe this candle is gonna go to the upside, probably fill this range as I spoke about in the previous weeks. Yep, look how bullish the daily is. That's where it broke from. So yeah, it's looking good to retest the high. At least we need to retest this high, probably fill the wick and retest the high, which will be perfect to continue moving to the upside. Will be very good to keep moving to the upside. All right, looks like we are getting a support right there. It's looking nice to get a support right there. Okay, can we get a closure now? Gold looks like it's cooking, man. The question is, can we get a closure? So 3 minutes left. Let's wait and see. Two minutes. 2 minutes left on this candle to close. One minute left, guys. 1 minute left for this candle to close. Can it close above? This is the question. Can it close above? Doesn't look like it. Doesn't look like it's going to close above. Alright, so we can absolutely definitely wait. We are not in a rush. Let's see, 1 minute left. Oh, we closed below, but it's still weak bearish candle. Very weak bearish candle. Let's check the 1 hour. The 1 hour time frame. Oh man, that looks ugly actually. Let's check the 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes doesn't look bad. At least we can at least retest this high for 130 pips. 15 minutes doesn't look bad. All what we need now is just a 15-minute closure above this area right there, and I think it will be good to go above this area right there. Let me double check. Yup, a 15-minute closure like this. Look how many 15-minute closure we got above, and it kept going right here, I think. Yup. Oh wow, it's melting. Probably we want to see the 4 hour, this 4 hour bottom wick first. at least tap it or create a bottom wick to continue pushing to the upside. That's what we want to see. So can we get closure now above? Closure above would be amazing. Would be amazing to move to the upside. Oh wow, Iran has delivered new proposal talks. Let's read this real quick till the 15-minute candle close. So what are they saying? Let's check the chart. Okay, so probably gold is creating a bottom wick for this 4-hour candle. It's better if we got a steeper bottom wick, and then we will be looking for buys from there, because all of this is clean range right now. Look at this, it's all clean range. So whenever we get a nice support, we'll be looking for buys. Wow, it's melting. Gold is melting right now. Can we see this bigger bottom wick? Let me read this news real quick. What did Iran said? What was it? That's all? Where is the news, man? Alright, we will be waiting for also another something more interesting than that, because I think it's not that clear. I like how gold is slowing down now. Yeah, so just waiting for I need this 15-minute candle to close bullish above my line, and we'll probably be good to go. Probably, yeah. Otherwise, I'm gonna call it a day. In 30 minutes, probably gonna call it a day, because today is Friday, and you know Friday is kinda choppy. So I believe price will consolidate a little bit in this range. If we didn't have enough volume coming up, probably is gonna consolidate. Oh wow, look how this previous support created the bottom wick. It was a huge bottom wick, like a really huge bottom wick right there, I guess. So yeah, for sells we need to see range too, like price should create a resistance right here and then green candle and then break below. That's what we are going to take for sells. And then for buys we just need a green candle above. From there, if it rejects, it's gonna be nice if it rejects from there. It doesn't look bad actually. It's looking like it wants to reject. See, you can feel it. It's in the air. Oh wow. No, that doesn't look like it. It's just creating this for our bottom week. So it's better we wait for the bottom week and then we will look for setup. Here also we have some range right there. Yep, right here. It's right there. Look here, previously when the 4-hour closed above this area, the bottom week was till this, the bottom of this range right here. We got many rejections, so it's very possible to reject from this area right there. But till it rejects, we need the 15-minute candle to close bullish so we can take a trade. We need the 15-minute candle to close in green, which is a non-negotiable. It is a non-negotiable rule. This 4 hour candle is just playing around right now. It's just playing around. Wow, look how huge this candle was. Wow, 700 pips, almost 700 pips, 4 hour candle. It corrected the whole day move in just one candle. Corrected the whole day move. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Alright, so this 15-minute candle, it looks like it's rejecting. Looks like it is rejecting right now. So let's see, will it give us a nice closure above this line so we can take the buys? Or is it gonna close like this? Alrighty guys, we have 27 seconds on the clock. Let's see, can we get this buy setup? Can we get this buy setup? We need to close with a nice stop wick first. Let's see. Oh man, come on Goldie, not like this. Oh wow, what an ugly closure guys. What an ugly closure. Oh my god, there is not even a wick. It closed without any top wick. I think better to wait now. Better to wait for the 30 minutes. Better to wait for the 30-minute candle. Man, but this trading is looking good. Wow. Look at that moving. You just look at that. So I want to see a break of the low again, retesting these lows right here, and then probably we'll think about it, you know, can take it with a small lot size, but till now nothing. Not like that. Come on, what's this? What was this candle closure, Goldie? Man, there is a much better closure than this. Come on. So I'm going to wait for the 30-minute. Probably we are gonna get much better setup from there. Yeah, but this is actually what we were waiting on, is this thing right there. So we need to test this low again and probably gonna look for some buys from there. Yeah, it's looking good to go. Actually, it doesn't look bad. Doesn't look bad at all. So 30-minute closure here looks good, guys. So I'm just gonna wait for this 30-minute candle closure, and yeah, I think and that's it for me. Just waiting for this 30-minute candle closure. If it can close above here, wow. If it can close like above here, oh man, oh man. If it closes like right above there, oh, it's gonna be so nice and juicy. So let's wait. There's about, I think, 10 minutes left. 10 minutes left for the 30-minute candle closure. Let's see. Let's see now if we can get anything in this in the next 10 minutes. Otherwise I will be out by that time. Yeah, it doesn't look that good. Also the 15, probably maybe if we can close below there. No, it's better to wait for a closure above, I think. Yeah, it's much better to wait for a closure above. Like here, almost closed above, almost. Let's check oil. Oil is pumping now. Wow, what a move. What a move. 125 pips. Stop loss was about like 50. Nasdaq is also bumping now. Everything is pumping. So yeah, I think we need a closure above there. It's the best way to get a nice trade. Otherwise, better to wait for Monday. If we didn't get a nice closure, much better to wait for Monday and we'll take it from there. there is like around 8 minutes left for this candle to close. 8 minutes left. So I want to see this 30-minute candle, even if it closes like this, like a little bit lower than there. So we have enough range above almost 100 pips. Yup. If this candle can close like right there, this is gonna be our stop loss. 50 pips, and aiming for this wick fill. Probably will secure something right there. And yeah, that's it. Okay, nice. 100 pips, that's all what we need for now. But we need a nice closure though. We need a nice closure. So it looks good on the all of the time frames, like from the daily till lower. Daily doesn't look bad. 4 hour. Yep, on the 1 hour also it looks nice, and the 30 minutes now it looks good to go. Or at least to fill this high, you know, at least to fill this high. Because if it wants to reject, it will tap this high and then reject from there. That's what I'm anticipating personally. Alright, there is 4 minutes left on the clock. Come on, gold, can we get this now? Can we get this thing? Just 4 minutes left. 1 hour doesn't look bad because it grabbed liquidity from this week's now. So all the buyers, they have been stopped out right there. Check the news again if there's anything interesting. Lots future at Federal Reserve. Alright. But to be honest, I think it's a little bit not on the 30. So the 30 minutes is the only frame that's looking good. 1 hour not bad. 4 hour on the daily. Yeah, probably going to look to execute on this setup with a low risk. Let's see if it's gonna work out. Looking to execute right here with small risk. It's even better if the 15-minute candle can close weak bullish like this. I think it will be also good to go to the upside. So what I want to see next is the candle will create a nice bottom wick, tap this line right there, and then boom, go from there. Would be nice if it can close like this and create a bottom wick on the next 30-minute candle, and then we are good to go. Yup, it's previous rejection area. Price grabbed some liquidity. Look how rejected one time, closed above. Yup, till there at least. But if it didn't close above this line right here, then I think we can call it a day. Alright, let me prepare my order. Yeah, looks perfect. Just looks perfect. Stop loss about 50 pips stop loss. Yeah, so all what I want to see now is the 30-minute candle will create a bottom wick, and then I'm going to place a buy stop order. After the 30-minute candle, create a bottom wick. Alright, just need a little bit bottom wick. Come on, 30 minutes. Come on, give us that bottom wick. Give us that bottom wick. Oh, I don't think that's gonna work. The 30-minute candle didn't give us a bottom wick at all. I want to see a retracement, bottom wick, at least tapping this line right here, and then from there probably we can enter on the break of previous 30 minutes candle high. Yeah, we just need the bottom wick, that's all. Only the bottom wick what's left for us to take this. So it doesn't look like it. Alright guys, I'm gonna be back really soon. Just give me some time. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, now I'm back. What's going on? Oh wow, wow. So, doesn't look like there's much going on. This candle pretty much moved without a bottom wick. About 50 pips, it's almost 1 to 1. Wow, that's interesting. That's really really interesting. So probably gonna wait now a little bit more. Wait, be patient. Yup. See where this is gonna go. Yup, and I think I'm gonna call it soon. Any news coming up or something? Okay, 16 minutes. What's this? Federal Reserve is drawing back leave from Trump administration. Wow, this was like 3 hours ago, I think. So 3 hours ago, oh, it created a bottom wick. Now it's moving up. But I need a more steeper bottom wick than this. I don't like this bottom wick. I don't like that. So 3 hours ago was 1, 2, 3. Wow. So it moved a little bit before that, right? Let's see right there. This was 3 hours ago. 1, 2. This is the third. Yep. So it's right here. Okay, now it makes a lot of sense now. Yeah, I think that was the bottom wick. Is not gonna create any more bottom wicks. There was a news. There was a news 3 hours ago. You understand? Oh wow, it's moving without us, guys, again. Just moving without us. Isn't this what gold does every time? Alright, so it's not moving much, as you can see here. Oh wow, it's moving a little bit now. Moving a little bit. Not that much, but we need a better move. Yeah, so I was checking 3 hours was actually right here on right on NY open, right before NY open. Hmm. Oh man, would have been a nice trade. Would have been a nice trade, man. Wow. Absolutely wow. Hmm. Look now, this candle is going to fill this previous week. Just beautiful. Let's very very interesting, but beautiful. So I think it tapped almost our break-even area, about 80 pips. Our stop loss was 50, almost 1 to 2. Almost. Not precisely, but almost got 1 to 2. Yeah, so that's where it started. It started 3 hours ago. Like exactly, can you get an exact time? 6:14 p.m. Wow. Wow. 6:14, it was right there. So this what caused this bump. Look, after this news release, wow, look how gold pumped. So it would have been much better if we waited for buys above. Oh wow, yeah, it's moving up. Man, what kind of breakdown. Yeah, that's very interesting. Noted for the future. It was a red folder also, by the way, so yeah, I should have paid attention to that. Alright, now we are almost tabbing 1 to 2. Congratulations to everybody who entered this trade. If we entered also above this previous 15-minute high, would have been perfectly fine, but it's better to stick to your rules. 100 pips. Yep, it was a nice trade. Look how neat and clean that price moved. Yep, so it was amazing trade. Good trading day, guys. I hope you stay safe. It's a weekend now. Don't force anything, man. Just go and enjoy your weekends. And that's pretty much it for today. I don't think I'm going to take any other trades. Yep, and that was all. Adios.